This is my Redmi phone, and this is the cover of that phone. It's been 6 months and I am using this cover, and the cover has turned light brown. While talking on the phone, it was not looking nice, so I had to do something, which was customization. Step 1. Polish the cover with sandpaper so that the light brown color gets fade away. Step 2 was to show your creativity. I wanted to write motivational hashtag on the cover, so for that I had to Google out the motivational hashtag. In this step, it's all about your own creativity.